Okay, that video cut off because I actually received a phone call and it just automatically cuts off video. But let me just finish what I was going to say. Actually, Dolly, good girl, good girl. She broke the sit and I put her back in it. There are some distractions, my phone and whatever. But what I was fixing to say was that when I'm first training a dog, when I give him a release cue, good girl, good sit, I like to do a combination of a physical and a verbal release. So I'll show you. Good girl, good girl. So again, the treat's not going to mark the end. I'm going to make her sit good girl. I'm going to make her sit a little bit longer. Good girl, good girl, good girl. And then when I release her, I'm going to say free or okay and touch her. Okay. And then we can walk. I only do that in the very beginning when I'm training. I don't do the combination of touching and verbal release for the rest of their life. But in the beginning, I like to do both the touch and the verbal release together because it makes it very obvious. So that they're released from their position. So when I start working on, say, distance, like getting further away from her, like this, then she knows I have to come all the way up to her, touch her, okay, and give her release command and she's still sitting like a good girl, before she's supposed to get up. So that was the one thing that I was going to try to mention before I stopped videoing. So I think we worked on leave it. I'm going to try to work on some fetch and maybe a down, and then we'll be done. What do you think, Dolly? What do you think? You're doing so well.